In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off commenting on your Instagram story, okay? You know very well that in this channel, we don't waste our viewers' time. We just dive right into the content you are looking for. Let's get started. Open Instagram app. Make sure you follow every step here so you don't make any mistake that will ruin the whole process, okay? Now, tap on your story here, the plus button there for adding a story. Follow every step here just as I have previously mentioned. Then click on the gear icon. The gear icon is basically the settings icon. Click on it. Then you will see places for story, reels, and live. Click on story. Then scroll down until you see this place for commenting. Tap on that button for allow commenting. Then set the commenting to off. You will see your commenting will be in everyone, meaning anyone can comment on your Instagram story. But now change it to off. By doing this, people will not be able to comment on your Instagram story. Thank you guys for watching. Let's meet in the next video. Peace.